Are your marketing strategies pushing you forward or holding you back? Let's unlock the 4 strategies that could skyrocket your business to success. Get ready, because I'm about to break down the marketing secrets that top brands use but rarely talk about. These aren't just theories, they're game changers. First up, content marketing. It's all about creating and sharing valuable free content to attract and convert prospects into customers and customers into repeat buyers. The type of content you share is closely related to what you sell. You're educating people so that they know, like, and trust you enough to do business with you. Next, influencer marketing. This strategy is key in today's digital world. By collaborating with influencers who already have an audience, you can get your product in front of that audience quickly. It's about building relationships that help you reach and connect with your potential customers. Moving on to social media marketing. It's not just about posting regularly, but engaging with your followers. It's about using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter to create a community around your brand. Lastly, email marketing. Often overlooked but incredibly powerful, email marketing is all about collecting emails from prospects and communicating with them directly. Unlike social feeds, email hits your audience's inbox and is personal. Each of these strategies requires commitment and understanding to implement effectively, but mastering them can lead to incredible growth and engagement with your target market. So, there you have it, the 4 fundamental marketing strategies that can transform your brand's visibility and profitability. Which of these strategies are you excited to implement or have seen the most success with? Drop a comment below, and if you're looking for deeper insights, click the link in my bio to master your marketing game. Don't forget to like and follow for more invaluable tips.